Hello everyone! Assalamu alaikum! Welcome to my channel. Let's take a look at the recipe and all the ingredients needed for making Mango Dal. Into a clean bowl, I am adding 1 cup of lentils using a measuring cup. I'm adding sufficient water to wash them thoroughly. At this stage, I will rub the lentils with my hands and wash them with clean water a few times to ensure no dirt remains. I've taken a pot to cook the lentils and poured them in. I added plenty of chopped garlic, salt to taste, and enough water to boil the lentils. I lit the stove and waited for it to come to a boil. Once boiling, I lowered the heat and stirred a bit with a spoon to help them cook evenly. You can see the lentils have boiled and become quite thick. Now, I will whisk the lentils using a hand whisk to smooth them out. Once whisked, I'll add a sufficient amount of water and a small amount of turmeric powder, stirring to mix it well. Then, I will add the sliced green mangoes and some green chilies into the dal. Now we move on to tempering the dal. First, I've added some dry red chilies, chopped garlic, and onions to hot oil. I will stir gently and fry them on medium heat until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Now, I will pour this tempering over the dal and give it a good stir. You can see how beautiful the dal has turned out, neither too thick nor too thin. I'm checking if the mango is cooked through. To finish, I will sprinkle some fresh coriander leaves on top and stir again. Finally, I'm adding some sliced Bombay chili, fragrant chili, that I set aside earlier. This brings a lovely aroma. That's it! Your Mango Dal recipe is ready. Do let me know how it tastes. Thanks for watching.